Ever wondered how to turn your bedroom into a futuristic oasis with just a few gadgets? What if I told you that the secret to ultimate comfort and convenience lies in some crazy cool products you can find on Amazon? From high-tech sleep trackers to smart fans, these gadgets are designed to make your life easier and your bedroom smarter. Get ready to discover 12 insane bedroom and home gadgets that will blow your mind and transform your living space. Stick around till the end, because you won't want to miss out on any of these game-changing products. Number 1. Charge all the devices. Anker Wireless Charging Station. Let's start with the Anker Wireless Charging Station, a game-changer for those with multiple devices. Imagine recharging all your essential gadgets, your smartphone, smartwatch, and earbuds, while you sleep. This all-in-one charging stand supports Qi-compatible devices, including Apple Watch, Samsung Galaxy Buds, Pixel Buds, and iPhones. With everything powered up and ready to go by morning, you'll never have to scramble for a charger again. Simply place your devices on the stand and let the Anker do the rest. Number 2. Everyone's a fan of a smart fan. Bond Hub. Next up, the Bond Hub turns your ordinary ceiling fan into a smart fan. Using the companion app or your favorite smart voice assistant like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, you can control the fan's speed, turn it on or off, and even manage the light if your fan has one. No installation required. Just plug in the Bond device, download the app, and point your fan's remote at the Bond. It's that simple. Enjoy the perfect breeze without ever leaving your bed. Number 3. Wise Smart Home Plugs. Upgrade your standard appliances with Wise Smart Home Plugs. These plugs allow you to control devices like lights, fans, air purifiers, and humidifiers with voice commands or through an app. Smart plugs may not be the most exciting gadgets, but the convenience they offer is unbeatable. Note that these plugs require devices with mechanical on-off switches to work. Enhance your room's functionality with a simple, budget-friendly solution. Number 4. BedJet, climate control for your bed. The BedJet is a revolutionary gadget for those who struggle with temperature regulation while sleeping. This innovative device can warm your bed in just 180 seconds during winter or cool it off in the summer. Operated via a smartphone app, the BedJet creates a luxurious temperature-controlled sleeping environment tailored to your preferences. Say goodbye to icy sheets and sweaty nights, and hello to the perfect sleep temperature all year round. The BedJet ensures you sleep comfortably no matter the season, enhancing your sleep quality and overall bedroom experience. It's a must-have for anyone seeking optimal sleep conditions without the hassle of traditional heating and cooling methods. Number 5. A sleep tracking display, Google Nest Hub. The Google Nest Hub is not just a smart display, it's a comprehensive sleep tracker. Besides playing YouTube videos, controlling smart home devices, and making video calls, its true bedroom value lies in its sleep tracking capabilities. It monitors motion and sound, tracks sleep duration, and notes disturbances like snoring or coughing. This hands-free solution provides insights into your sleep patterns without the need for wearable devices. Number 6. Lenovo Smart Clock Essential. Waking up in the middle of the night and wanting to check the time without blinding yourself? The Lenovo Smart Clock Essential is your answer. Its subtle display is easy on the eyes, and its small footprint fits perfectly on your nightstand. It features a USB port for overnight smartphone charging and a rear nightlight that offers just enough illumination to navigate in the dark. Additionally, it functions as a smart speaker, providing weather updates, alarms, and more. This versatile gadget combines practicality with convenience, making it an essential addition to your bedside setup. Number 7. Electric Essential Oil Diffuser. Transform your bedroom into a spa-like retreat with an electric essential oil diffuser. This ceramic diffuser fills your room with soothing fragrances, perfect for unwinding after a stressful day or masking unpleasant odors. It features 4 timer settings and customizable light colors, allowing you to tailor the experience to your liking. Simply add your favorite essential oils and let the diffuser create a calming, aromatic atmosphere. Whether you want to relax, sleep better, or freshen up your space, this diffuser offers an easy and effective solution for enhancing your bedroom environment. Number 8. Smart Bedside Table. The Smart Bedside Table is more than just furniture. It's a multifunctional gadget. Featuring built-in speakers and a wireless charging station, you can connect your phone via Bluetooth to play music and charge your devices by simply placing them on the table. You can even answer calls through the speakers, making it a sleek and stylish addition to your bedroom. With its practical design, the smart bedside table combines storage and technology, offering a seamless blend of modern convenience and classic utility. It's the perfect addition for anyone looking to enhance their bedroom's functionality and aesthetics. Number 9. Echo Dot and Philips Hue Smart Bulb. The Echo Dot and Philips Hue Smart Bulb bundle is a dynamic duo for your bedroom. The Echo Dot serves as a compact smart speaker and alarm clock, while the Philips Hue Smart Bulb allows for customizable lighting. Control your lights with voice commands or through an app, and adjust the brightness to create the perfect ambiance. The Echo Dot provides access to news, weather, and music, all from the comfort of your bed. This bundle offers convenience and smart home integration, transforming your bedroom into a tech-savvy haven with minimal effort. Number 10. Dyson Purifier Hot and Cool Formaldehyde. The Dyson Purifier Hot and Cool Formaldehyde is a versatile gadget that not only heats and cools your room, but also purifies the air. It captures bacteria, dust, and allergens, and its filter destroys formaldehyde, a common indoor pollutant. With night mode and a sleep timer, it operates quietly, ensuring a comfortable and healthy sleeping environment. Control it via an app or voice commands for added convenience. Number 11. Simba Hybrid Duvet. Finding the perfect sleep temperature is no longer a challenge with the Simba Hybrid Duvet. This duvet uses Stratos technology to regulate temperature, absorbing excess body heat when you're warm and releasing it when you're cold. Its square quilting design ensures an even distribution of fill, preventing lumps and bumps. The Simba Hybrid Duvet provides a comfortable, consistent sleep environment, making it an excellent choice for those who struggle with fluctuating temperatures during the night. Enjoy a restful night's sleep without the hassle of adjusting your covers constantly. Number 12. Lumi Body Clock Rise 100. End your struggle with dark mornings using the Lumi Body Clock Rise 100. This sunrise alarm clock gradually brightens your room over 30 minutes, simulating a natural sunrise. It transitions from a warm red glow to bright light, making waking up more pleasant and less jarring. In the evening, it offers a sunset mode to help you unwind. This clock is particularly beneficial for those with seasonal affective disorder, providing a much-needed boost during shorter days. Well, that's it for today's video. What do you think about these products? Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible product reviews and home tech tips. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.